We've got a major spring storm on the way for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, May the 5th through May the 7th. So let's get into the details on it. First of all, we're talking about big mountain snow above 8,000 feet. We're talking about a lot of rain for the Denver area, especially on Tuesday, and maybe some severe weather on the front end of this on Monday. So let's start things off with Monday and the severe weather side of things. Now, the severe weather threat doesn't seem that high right now, and it does appear like it's going to be concentrated in southeast Colorado. So Colorado Springs, Pueblo, Highway 50 on south. That's where we're going to have the possibility for some large hail and some damaging winds, especially on Monday afternoon. Denver, if these storms kind of go far enough north, we may see some severe weather, especially south side of town on Monday. Keep an eye on that as we get a bit closer, but right now it doesn't look like a major severe weather threat for the Denver area. Let's get into part two, which is the mountain snow part of all of this, which is going to spread on in starting Monday night. The mountains will see probably a lot of rain initially. This is a warm storm to start, and what's going to happen is we're going to pull down cold air from aloft, and that'll eventually change things over from rain to snow at or above 8,000 feet. So that's going to be most of the mountains, and this is really good news. The snowpack, we've talked about this for a while now, it is struggling for us in Colorado's mountains for this point of the spring season. We really could use some good snow, especially in southern Colorado, and that is exactly where we're going to be talking about the heaviest snow. Now, that snow will, I think, into the Denver area. We won't be talking about snow in Denver proper, but you get into the foothills outside of Denver, above, again, 8,000 feet. So you're talking Conifer, Bailey, the high side of Evergreen. We could be talking about here several inches of snow for us starting especially Tuesday night and into Wednesday. So the back end of the storm, the colder side of the storm, that's when we could be talking about several inches of snow. Travel will be disrupted on Tuesday and especially Tuesday night and Wednesday morning on I-70. The Eisenhower Johnson tunnels, Vail Pass, the usual spots will be slick for you on Tuesday night and Wednesday morning, May 6th into May 7th. Finally, let's get into the rain. This is going to be a lot of rain. We're not used to getting a ton of rain for us in the Denver area. This reminds me a lot of the early May 2023 rain event. A lot of you will remember that. We had about 3, 4, 5 inches of rain for most of the Denver area. Probably not quite as much of that as that rain event for us in the Denver area, but still we're talking about a widespread 1 to 3 inches around the metro area. Most of this comes on Tuesday and into Tuesday night, and then Wednesday we start to clear things on out. Thursday, Friday we dry things out. So a lot of rain, a lot of beneficial rain. As a meteorologist, I love this. And final thing I'll leave you with, let's go Avs, let's go Nuggets, get those Game 7 dubs tonight.